Yo, what's up guys? So I just picked up a GoPro from Best Buy. I was in need of one, so I could stop recording on my phone. So on the next few clips, I'll show you the quality and all that crap. Yeah, this is a 7. It's pretty cheap on Best Buy. It's 200 bucks. I thought it was around 400, but this one here was 200. Alright guys, so I'm here with the GoPro. So what I'm gonna do right now is wash the car because it's really dirty. I don't know if you can tell. And also, I'm sorry if you see my me moving the camera around a lot. I just want to find the perfect angle. Right now I have it on a head strap, and I'm also looking at my phone just to make sure everything's looking good. You guys let me know about how the audio is, the quality. Yeah, I haven't washed the car since I got it, so I'm gonna do it right now, and then after I wash it, I'm gonna go on a point of view drive so you guys can see. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the car is really dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna wash it right now. Also, this is what I use to wash my car. I highly recommend it. It's really good. I don't know, I forgot how much it was. I think it's anywhere from 10 to 15 bucks, I think, at Auto Parts. I bought that there, sponge there, and to dry it, the best thing to dry it. Dries it so quick. So yeah, that's what I recommend to wash your car. You don't have to put a lot of it, just a little bit. I think it's 4 ounces for a gallon or some shit. Yeah, it's a little bit more of a gallon, so I put a little extra, but you don't gotta put much. Alright guys, so this is a few hours after I washed the car. I had shot the video previously, but I went over and you can't really see me shifting, and you go see a lot of this, so I think now it looks better. Let me recheck just to make sure. So yeah, right now looks better. Yeah, it looks better now. Yeah, it looks better. Alright, so we're just gonna go for a quick drive and yeah, and just test out the audio and all that stuff. Just a quick drive around the block. I'm gonna do a pull, most likely down this street. So it's pretty straight. It's a little bumpy, but whatever. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright. Yeah, it's a really bumpy road. So yeah guys, that was the drive. Let me turn on the AC real quick. So yeah, another reason I bought the GoPro was so I could give you guys better content. Well, mostly the quality. And now I could you know, record myself doing stuff to the car instead of always showing you guys that I did it afterwards, you get me? I can never show like, oh, in the process of doing the stuff. So now I can. So that's another good thing. But yeah, now you guys could have better quality. Hopefully the point of view I just did looks good. So yeah, I'll try to be going to Mexico today to get some runs in, but that won't be till next video if I do go. So yeah, see you guys on the next video.